So if you have been following this channel, then you know how many videos I have made on solar industries, and if you have made the entry at the earliest price point where I made the video, then it is already a multi-bagger for you, because I analyzed this stock when the price was around 4,300 to 4,700. So it has already crossed 9,000, and today it is trading slightly below 9,000 because the market has turned a little bit negative, but it's already a multi-bagger for you. Now in today's video, I will mention why solar industries could be a good swing trading opportunity for you if you are looking for a potential good swing trade. But remember that this is not a buy sell recommendation at all. This is just educational purpose, using which you can apply the same on your own and analyze stocks so that you can make the perfect buying decision by yourself. Okay, with that said, let's get started. Alright, so this is solar industries in daily time frame, and you can see if I measure the gain from here, you can see it is the breakout from here. If I measure from that point, it has already given 132% return, and if I talk about current price, it is 124. Okay, so this is already a good multi-bagger, and you know how strong its fundamentals are. If you have not, then I would say that please go and watch my previous videos, search for solar industries, and you will definitely find some valuable insight about it. In fact, I will share the link of my previous videos on solar industries in the description section. No, not a problem. Okay, now coming to the current price action, see, we can first of all clearly spot a high and a low. You can see this is a high and this is a low. Okay, and using this we are going to track our entry points. Okay, this is this we are doing just to see how good the swing trade could be if it gives an opportunity. So using that, I will use the fib retracement tool to mark these two spots. Okay, you see I have used them, and I can now clearly see that the stock is has gone above the 50% fib level, that is 8857. Okay, and now it is slightly facing some resistance here. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, I will definitely see some strong resistance. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can see this. Now the thing is, if it has maintained the 50 level as its support, as you can see here, okay, then what does this indicate? Well, this indicates clear strength. We know that when a stock stays above 50 level 50% the fib level, then definitely it has acquired some strength and it could be starting a rally. Okay, this is what happens. So let us use the 200 period EMA here and see. Okay, you can see the 200 period EMA, that is 1 hour, 200 EMA in 1 hour, okay, is providing very nice support to this stock. Okay, at this price point, you can see the candlesticks touched this 200 EMA, the black line you are seeing here, and now it is slowly progressing upward. Okay, now let us also see the 50 period EMA in 1 hour time frame. So I have, yes, and you can see the 50 period EMA is clearly providing support right now, strong support at this 50% line. This blue line is the 50% fib level. So these things are clearly indicating that the stock is starting a strong bullish movement. Okay, but again, repeating myself, this is not a buy sell recommendation. It is up to you how you want to make your entry. It will be completely on your own risk. Okay, so we are now clear that the stock is actually gaining strength in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, by multiple parameters we have measured. Excuse me. Now we have to see where can we make the entry, okay, and where we can set our stop loss. Okay, so for that, what I will do is I will use the same fib retracement, and I will just tell you that where can you make an entry. So we are tracking the 1 hour time frame, right? So we have to make entry when the stock will form one more big green candle here in 1 hour time frame, which will break this level, the nearest level, that is, let me just measure, I can give you an accurate number, 9060. So 9000, let's say, rounded up. So if we see a big green candle in 1 hour time frame above, closing above 9000 level, that will be a good entry point for us. Okay, now question is, where can you set your stop loss? So we have to set our stop loss below the lowest point of this red candle. Okay, let me just hide the fib level for a while so that the chart will become clear. So we can see that the red candle bar came up to this level, 8700. Okay, so you can to be on the safer side, you can just go a little bit down, let's say 8750. Okay, that could be your stop loss level. Now where will be the profit taking? The profit taking will be defined by the fib levels once again. So we will take our profit when it hits when it comes in between the 160%, 161% and 141% level. Okay, let me just show you. Let me just make it little bit smaller so that we can see more things in the chart. Okay, here it is. So our profit will be in the middle of these two levels, 141% and 161% and 141%. So in between this we can find a sweet spot at 10,000, isn't it? Here is the 10,000 level. This is 9947, this is 10,191, so 10,000 rounded up. So and you can clearly see this will be a big risk to reward ratio. Let us just measure that as well. So if I use this long position here, okay, I will mark the entry here at 9,050, 9,070, let's say. Okay, and here I have set the stop loss at 8780. You can use 8785, sorry, 8750. Okay, and the target will be 10,000. Okay, this is 10,000. Okay, and if you want you can make an early entry, but I would say be on the safer side and just wait for the closer above 9,000 level. Okay, here, right, and you can see a very healthy risk to reward ratio. This is 3.3. so 3:1 we can say, sorry, 1:3. Risk is 1 and reward is 3.3, more than 3%. So you are risking 3%, okay, here in order to gain 10.43%. Okay, so this is a big risk to reward ratio and a very profitable one, and also this is kind of safer because Solar Industries is a strongly trending stock, we know that. Okay, if you have not, again I am mentioning, I will share the link in the description section, you can watch this watch that video. Okay, and remember that this entry, exit, profit taking, stop loss, everything will be on your risk. Do not go just by my video, that this is not a, and I am clearly mentioning, this is not a buy and sell recommendation, just educational purpose, so that you can apply the same on your own and you can make profits by your own. Okay, so this will be the overall approach for Solar Industries. Let me just highlight few points. So entry above 9,000, okay, 9,000 entry. Okay, stop loss will be 8,750. Okay, and profit taking will be 10,000. Okay, right. So these are the three things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, 9,000, 8,750 will be the stop loss and 10,000 will be the profit taking target. Okay, and let me just mention that don't take exact 9,000 entry, because we saw perfect entries above 9,070. So make it 9,080 or 9,100 is also better. Okay, 9,100 to be on the safer side, because the price is currently trading near 9,000 level. So do not make any early entry unnecessarily. Okay, 9,100, 10,000, 8,750. Right, clear? So this is the overall approach for Solar Industries. I hope this video was helpful, informative, and you learned something new. And if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse. And also let me just mention one more thing, that I have created one more channel where I do the analysis in Hindi. The name is Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section. Please go through that as well. You'll find many informative videos there only, and the content there is different from what I post here. So make sure to check that out. So that is all about Solar Industries. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.